Hi, I'm Zach Van Tassel, and this is the week 2 fetal pig lab. I don't have any other materials besides my sheet. And let's get started. Alright, so first we have the head area here, the neck. Next is the trunk, this section, the tail region, down here where the tail is, and the gender of the pig is a male. Next, the axial skeleton region. The axial skeleton would be this area where the rib cage is, as well as the spine and the skull. Skull is here. The vertebral column along the back, right there. The thoracic cage is going to be in here. The appendicular skeletal region would be where the limbs are. The humerus, this bone in here. The femur would be here, and the tibia would be here. The joint capable of flexion would be right in here. Next, moving to the muscular system, we have the pectoralis major, be right here. Latissimus dorsi along the back. The deltoids would be the shoulder area right here. Your rectus abdominis is in the front. Right in there. Transverse abdominis be more towards the side and deeper. You can actually see in here. The gluteus medius would be in this area. All right. Now for the questions. First question, did you notice a covering on the spinal cord? And what is it? Okay, so all I noticed along the spinal cord was kind of a whitish matter that wasn't the muscle, and that would be the dura mater. What is the difference between white and gray matter? Okay, so the white matter is going to be what sends out the signals from the axons, and then the gray matter is going to be what receives those signals and produces a reaction from those signals from the dendrites. And then the next thing we have is the endocrine system. Explain how insulin regulates glucose levels in the blood. So when insulin goes into the bloodstream, it is released in the bloodstream due to high blood sugar levels. The insulin is going to signal to fat cells, liver cells, and muscle fibers to kind of take on some of the sugar that's in the blood to reduce the amount of blood sugar in the amount of glucose in the blood. And what is unique about the glands of the endocrine system? What's unique is that they release hormones into the bloodstream, and they take a little bit longer to activate compared to neural stimulus. So that's the lab for week 2, and this concludes the lab portion.